So this tutorial, we're going to go over how to invert your negative, because right now we see it in the reverse. Our whites are black and our blacks are clear. So remember, you need to import your file into Lightroom. You're going to add it and you're going to put it in a collection, Project 3 Spooky. Okay. Once you have it imported into Lightroom, you're going to go to the Develop module. And the first thing you're going to do is invert the file. So on the right-hand side, you're going to scroll down below Basic, and you're going to see a little tab that's called Tone Curve. You're going to open this window, okay, and we're going to reverse it here. First thing you need to do, though, is go underneath where it says like the picture and the regions. And if you click to edit point curve, this is going to allow us to actually move the points. So click on point curve in this little box right here. Click to edit point curve. Now we have the RGB and we can sort of add and move around the points that's on this graph. So we want our blacks to become white and our whites to become the black areas. So all you have to do is click and hold, and I'm sort of pulling out to the left, and I'm scooting that corner all the way up to the top left corner. Now I'm coming over to the other side. I'm clicking and holding, and I'm sort of pulling out to the side again, and I'm dragging that all the way down. So that inverted the graph here. So now you can see what is clear is now the black area, and our black areas are now the white areas. So that inverted it for us. And then the last thing I need to do is play around with this to get good contrast. So I can play around with my exposure. Maybe it needs to be a little darker. Contrast. I might want to bump that up, play around with that. So you're going to play around with these basic sliders and settings until you get good contrast and as good of exposure with your negatives as you can get. When you're done, you'll do File, Export, and you will export it to your F drive as a JPEG, and you will attach it to Google Classroom.